Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back again in my YouTube channel Rafle Kaisa Putra. In this video, I want to tell you how to configure a web server on Pnetlab using an Ubuntu server with a topology design that I have made and I've has been configured for DNS server in this topology. Before that, I want to tell you what is a web server. Web server is a device that can be hardware and software that provides service to user in the form of data via HTTP or HTTPS protocol to access file on a website with a media browser to open the file. And for web server function, have three functions. For the first, clearing the cache in the browser. And for the second, checking HTTP requests based on client requests for whatever that website is secure or not. And the third function of web server is provide data from incoming user requests in order to ensure system security. And after we know what is the web server and what the function of web server, we can go to configure a web server. For the first step, you can click in Ubuntu server and you can because I have to configure then as server, you can change your directory, go to /etc bin like this, and you clear first the screen with Ctrl and you go to nano and your domain, because my domain roughly and I go to nano roughly. And for the last line, you can add new line, that's www for web server in tab A, tab again, and add your IP address in Ubuntu server that in Ethernet 1. Because my IP address same like that, and exit. After you have to configure, you can exit and save with Ctrl+X and Ctrl+Y, and you can enter for save your configure, and you can clear again your screen with Ctrl+L. Because we have to configure in file roughly or file your domain, you can restart with the command is system ctl restart bin9.service like this. After you have to restart that bin9 service, you can check for the status running or not. If running like this, you can exit and go to check with ping your domain with ping www you can clear first and ping www.roughly.com. If the status is retail, the mean is you have to access, the client have to access, go to your domain name server. After you have to check with ping www.roughly.com, we go to the next step of configure web server. And for the next step, you must install your web server package is the Apache 2, and for the command is apt install Apache 2. If you like this, and you can enter for installing package of web server Apache 2. If the package has been installed, you can to clear first for the screen, and you go to change your directory, go to directory from Apache 2 sites available, Apache 2 sites available, and like this. If you have to change the directory, you can copy that file with you check again, you check first, and you want to copy this file with the command is cp 000 ship defaulted config with roughly.com like this, and you can change roughly.config like this, and you can check for this. And we go to nano roughly.config. For before that, we can to, because I'm wrong in for the command, we can to rm roughly.com, and if we can check again like this, and we can after that we can go to roughly.config, and we want to delete this hashtag in the line of server name and change for the example with roughly.com like this, or your domain. If you have to configure, we can to edit your file, we can to save, and you clear for the screen with ctrll again. And after that, we want to configure for the HTML with the command is cd/var www/html like this, and you can enter. After that, we must to check the first for this directory, and after that, because only one for file HTML, you can to configure to edit this file with the command is nano index html, and we go to for the line of page Ubuntu default page, and for it works we can change to roughly like this, and we go to X and Ctrl for save your editing. And after we have to edit that file, we can go to clear the first, and go for the next step. We can go to directory from Apache 2 sites available, Apache cd for the command is /cd/etc Apache 2 sites available, and enter. After that, we can to check, and because we want to enable for roughly.config or file, we must to disable the first for default file, and for the command is add to this site add to the site 000 strip default.config. After we have to disable this file like this, for the next step you can to enable your site with the command add to inside roughly.config like this and enter. After you have to enable your file.config, you must to restart this directory of Apache 2 with the command is /etc init.d Apache 2 restart like this. And after we have to like that, we can go to start for desktop client of Ubuntu's desktop. If the desktop client have start, you can go to OK and we go to Map Terminal. Click for menu, System Tool and go to Map Terminal. Before that, we can to check our IP address for desktop, Ubuntu desktop like this. And we got the IP address is 192.168.127 and .1.2. After that, we can go to ping www.roughly.com like this. And if the status is replied, the mean is we go to access our domain or web server from Apache 2. And because that, we can go to, before that we want to go to root, user root, and for the step is we Ctrl L and go to, for the command is sudo min e. And for the password of admin, we must to type admin and go to, if we have in root user, we go to nano/etc resolve.config. And for the name server, for 8.8.8.8 we can change to with 192.168.1.127 like this. After that, we can go to X and Y. Oh, sorry, you must to change for this like this and go to your you can have to go check with the command is /etc resolve.config. And if you have to know what is the from nano resolve config IP address, you go to Google Chrome in this Ubuntu desktop and go to www.roughly.com. And if you have to in this HTML from your domain name server or web server, you can, because if in the Apache you can to change with your min-x web server. And for the first step, we must to go web server to your Ubuntu server again and go to home directory. For the command is cd home, and you must, for the next step, you must to clear first, and we go to system ctl home apache stop apache 2, like this. And we must to check for the status is enable or disable with the command system ctl status from apache 2, like this. If have inactive, already inactive for apache 2, we can, for the next step, to install package of min-x. And for the command is, before that we can go to Ctrl F for clear the screen with like this, and we go to install the package from min-x with the command apt install min-x, like this, and enter. You can wait a moment please, and if you got a question you can go to enter yeah. If the package has installed, we can go to next step, but before that we can clear the first for the screen and go to directory from HTML with the command web server HTML. The command is var www or www/html and enter. And after that we can go to move or for move that file, move HTML file, go to www, not in HTML. And for the command is cd or move mv index. That file we want to move, go to var /var www, like this, and enter. And after that we can get like this, if we like this. And after that we can go to change directory for var www.html. But before that we can to clear the first for the skin with ctrl and we go to restart this directory /etc init.d apache. Oh no, because we want to min-x, we can go to min-x restart, because we have to configure in min-x directory like this. And we can check for the status running or not for this min-x web server. For the command /etc/init.d/min-x space status, like this. And for the status is running or active for min-x web server. And If like that, we can to go to desktop client or Ubuntu desktop like this, and we can go to refresh for the for our web server like this. We load this page and we got this. Welcome to NIMX. After that, we can get a conclusion. And for the conclusion, we have for our web server, we can change for Apache to NIMX and for all. Then, sorry if I have a lot of bad answer, and thank you for your time, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video. Thank you.